My name is Jordana, and this story is about my 4-year-old son. When Harley was born, he was very healthy and happy, and when he started eating solid foods, we noticed that his digestive tract just seemed to not be working properly. He would have loose stools basically all the time. We talked to our practitioner about it, and he said Harley was eating normally and he was a very healthy eater, did not eat processed foods. He said maybe his system would level out over time. And so we went through the next year just trying to see if it would level out. He continued eating, he was not having any pain. Everything was normal except for every time he would go to the bathroom, it was loose. So we went back to the doctor, and he was almost 3 at that time, and we had him tested for some food allergies. It did come back that he was in fact sensitive or had an allergy to gluten and dairy, wheat, eggs, a lot of the things that he was getting in some form in his diet. In my mind, I was thinking, this is great. We're gonna just take him off these foods and he's gonna be fine. So we took him off all of those foods for a total of 9 months. We were very diligent about it, and there was absolutely no change. And that was pretty disheartening. I was in a group that Dr. Montilla came and spoke to. I heard about him. He was a chiropractor, not something I ever considered would work for a stomach issue, but I really liked him. I liked what he had to say, and throughout this process, Dr. Montilla and Verity Health Center kept coming up in my mind as a place that maybe I could fall back on. So we came back home, and I called Verity Health Center about 5 months ago, told them what was going on, and prayed for the best. Came in, and Harley started seeing Dr. Montilla 3 times a week in the beginning. We did change his diet a little bit more, started him on some digestive enzymes, and basically went through the process of him getting adjusted as well as trying to rebuild the enzymes in his stomach so that he could process foods properly. Within weeks, Harley's stomach started changing. He started improving drastically, and within 2 months, we were having more solid stools, which is something Harley had never experienced in almost 4 years of his life. Now, Harley is on once a week, 5 months later. He pretty much never has a loose stool. If and when he does, I could pinpoint exactly what food item did that to him. We will keep coming to Verity Health Center as long as they're here, our whole family, because we're a believer in the system and our family wants to stay healthy.